If you're trying to scale your agency to $10,000 to $30,000 per month in profit, or even improve your client retention this year, and you're still stuck bouncing around running TikTok ads, SEO, Facebook and Instagram ads where your clients are dropping off, then you need to stop. Because in 2025, the most profitable, scalable, and client retention offer doesn't need to be sexy. It doesn't need to be something crazy. It's simply just running Google combined with AI to get awesome results for your clients. And so in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly why the easiest offer to sell, fulfill, and scale, even if you're a complete beginner, is actually just running Google Ads to generate high quality leads for your clients. All right, so here's why Google Ads is simply the best SMMA offer in 2025. This is by far the easiest 10K per month model, okay? You don't need 100 clients. You only need 5 to 7 clients to make your 10K per month. This is actually very, very simple to do as long as you have a proven roadmap that you can follow. So each client is gonna pay you anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000 per month. And there you go. You have your 10K per month. That's not a whole lot of crazy volume. You don't need any viral content. You just need to get results for real businesses. And for those of you that don't know me, I run a 7-figure Google agency. And if you want me to personally mentor you with Google Ads or have my team run Google Ads for you to start generating leads as early as 7 days or less, then you can apply with the link in the description below this video. Now, here's why you should choose Google Ads in 2025. Because people are already searching for a plumber near me, car accident lawyer, roof repair in Miami, and they're just not scrolling for fun like they are on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram for pure entertainment, right? These are people who already have intent and they need help right now. So you're just showing up when they're ready to buy. You're not having to run some sort of interruption ads where you're trying to get people's attention. These are people that are already searching for you. So they're more likely to convert into buyers for local businesses, for your clients. And this is how I've been able to retain so many of my clients and scale my agency to 7 figures, is by simply getting results for our clients. So here is the difference between Google Ads versus Facebook leads, right? Facebook, people are distracted, whereas Google, people are more intentional, which is what we talked about. Facebook leads tend to go ghost, and Google leads actually call your clients. And that's why retention is better. Google clients that have worked with my agency, they typically stay from 6 to 12 months or even longer. And so by having this system alone and just focusing on generating high quality leads that actually turn into paying customers for your clients are gonna be a lot happier that they're not having to wasting time sifting through low quality leads, and it just gets them really upset, right? And that's why they tend to drop off. Now, fulfillment is also going to be 10x easier when it comes to running Google Ads compared to Facebook or any other social media platform, okay? You don't have to constantly test new creatives, images, videos. You don't have to create daily content like you would need to post on Instagram and Facebook and things like that. When you have a winning Google campaign, you can literally run it for months with just little small tweaks and optimizations. Once you find something that works, it's just going to work, right? You're not having to constantly test new creatives and things like that. And the setup for this whole entire Google campaign takes less than 30 minutes, okay? And results can last for months or even longer, which means more profit and less stress for you as an agency owner, and more profit for your clients. So here are the niches that work in 2025, okay? It's gonna work for any sort of, service-based businesses, okay? So we have plumbers, roofers, electricians, law firms, pest control, HVAC, and these businesses need calls right now, not followers, okay? So if you're handling their social media ads or you're posting daily content for them, they honestly really don't care about how many followers they're getting, how many views they're getting on their videos, or how many likes they're getting on their posts. It just comes down to return on investment, okay? They don't care about anything else. At the end of the day, when they pay you $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month, all they care about is how much money that are you actually generating for them. And the more that you can prove that you are actually helping their businesses grow, the longer that they're gonna stay with you. Okay, so maybe you are a new agency owner and you're starting from zero, or maybe you have a little bit of experience, but here is what I would do, okay? I would, number one, learn how to run Google Ads for local service businesses. I have a free training on my YouTube channel that teaches you exactly how to do that within an hour and a half or so. And so if you go through that video alone, like, you're gonna learn how to run Google Ads. Now, if you're looking for more, hold your hand and walk you through the process and teach it to you personally, I also offer, personal mentorship. So if you're interested in that, then the link is in the description below. You can look at all the testimonials and case studies from all the students and all the businesses that have worked with me in the past. And you can see all the proof is in the pudding, all right? So the next step here is step number 2, you want to pick one niche, okay? Because we want to specialize in one specific industry. If we're a jack of all trades, then we're going to be a master of none, okay? If you can pick one niche and specialize in that niche, you're going to be able to charge more, build more authority, and build more trust, because clients are going to see that you specialize in their industry and they're more likely to work with you. Step number 3 is that you want to offer a low risk or performance-based deal, okay? So if you're starting from zero, maybe you don't have a lot of credibility, you don't have case studies or testimonials. So what you want to do is get your foot in the door and just get the ball rolling with new clients. So instead of charging the full $1,500, $2,500 per month, you could start at $500 to $1,000 per month, and it's lower barrier for prospects to work with you, okay? They're more likely to work with you if you're more affordable. Or you can go with the performance-based deal where you can focus on, pay per lead, right? So clients will only pay for you based off how many leads you generate for them, or you can even go based off of profits or revenue. And you can take a percentage of whatever amount you generate for your clients. So either or, it doesn't really matter. Just get your foot in the door, get the ball rolling, okay? Step number 4 is very simple, get results, okay? And the more results you get, you can use those as case studies to use that to sign on more clients. And then lastly, number 5, you just raise your prices as you grow. As you get more comfortable, as you have more case studies and you have a more proven method and system to get results for your clients, you're going to be able to increase your prices and charge more for the clients. And it's really that simple when it comes to business, guys. It's not easy because a lot of people quit when things get a little confusing or maybe a little bit difficult. But if you just stick with it, the roadmap is actually very, very simple. So if you follow the 5 steps, you're gonna be able to scale your agency to 6 to 7 figures, okay? And you can do all this within 90 days and realistically hit 10K per month, all with a lean, simple offer. And you can see some of my students that have gone through my mentorship have hit 10K per month. I have students that have gone past $100,000 months. And you can see their testimonials, their case studies. I do interviews with my students right here on my YouTube channel and even on my website, okay? So if you're interested in that, you can take a look and see all the results that we've been able to generate together, okay? So if you want me to personally mentor you, like I said, you can apply to get personally coached by me and have me walk you through teaching you Google Ads and our proven AI system to generate leads for our clients. They've been really happy, and how I've been able to grow my agency to 7 figures. So I can definitely teach you a lot of things. Or if you are maybe a service-based business owner yourself, or maybe you're an agency owner looking to bring on a marketing agency to take care of your ads, we can literally crush your ads and start generating phone calls and new customers to generate you new clients all within 7 days. And we're able to do this because we literally have a proven system specifically for local service-based businesses. So let us help you build your agency or generate you leads with a proven lead gen system the smart way in 2025.